Gillette, a company that is associated with shaving products, a very large company, were kind enough to put out a YouTube video giving step-by-step advice for beard care for beginners. Oh my gosh, that advice is good. Not. Sorry for the bad Borat there. But for real, in my opinion, the advice is absolutely terrible. Now, yeah, as those gears are spinning and you're starting to put the calculation together, you're like, hold up, Dan. This company that makes a lot of money off men shaving their facial hair would put out a beard advice video that has bad advice? No way. They would not do that. I'm not saying it's intentional, but I am telling you that I believe it's an absolute garbage video. And before we get into it, the quickest intro. My name is Dan. My entire passion, my entire hobby group is dedicated to facial hair and helping people out. I don't know how I got there, but it's here, guys. I'm with it. If you guys appreciate this kind of content, a quick thumbs up on the video makes a huge difference. And if you're not subscribed and you like learning about beard care, beard products, and good advice, consider subscribing. Shout out to those subscribers. Let's dive into it. There's 3 points that they have in their step-by-step video, and I want to address them. Number 1, they say that you have to trim. False. No, you do not. There's many people watching right now that have never trimmed and have incredible beards. There's many people watching right now that are going for a year and they're not going to touch it until they reach a certain calendar date where they get past that year. You do not have to trim. Can you? Absolutely. Should you? Personal preference. Truly no right or wrong answer. If you care for it and it's a healthy beard and you like that appearance and you don't have any issues, you do not have to trim. It is not imperative for your beard health to trim. Keep in mind, the growth happens from the skin and has nothing to do with the ends when you trim it, has nothing to do with shaving. Those are myths, and it seems like they're kind of preying on that. I don't know that for sure, but it seems like they're going with that myth. And it seems like if they're going to encourage people to trim more and more and more, what does that mean? More likelihood that someone might mess up a trim and might revert to shaving. Just my thoughts. Number 2, they give instructions of a couple of drops of beard oil. No, for some people, sure, but for most of us, a couple of drops will be a huge detriment to our beard experience and will not make it as enjoyable. If someone tells you, use a couple drops of beard oil, it's going to solve your beard itch, it's going to cure all your beard problems, they use that and it doesn't do anything, they're like, what the heck, man? I'm getting rid of this. That doesn't work. Come on now. And I'm not even talking about, in my opinion, their subpar inferior products by Gillette, which I do have videos on that. I have tried them myself and thoroughly tested them. I believe that they're not good. That's just me. But in general, if I were to use the best beard oils in the world and only use a couple of drops, I'm going to have trouble. Why? Because beard oil's for the skin underneath the beard and it's for the beard hair itself. We've come up with a rule on this channel as a baseline for 3 drops of oil per inch of beard. You start measuring by the bottom of your bottom lip, even if you don't have hair there, and go by the inches. It works out very well. It is a huge difference for someone like me that I'm using 60 plus drops of beard oil as compared to 2 or 3. Huge no on that one. And then the last one is apply the beard oil in the direction you want the hair to lay. What? What sense does that make? When I apply beard oil, I'm massaging it into the skin first, and then I'm working it throughout the beard, and then I'm combing. I'm going in different directions everywhere to spread the product out. Beard oil is not a styling agent. Beard oil is not a product to get your hair to lay in any direction. You can do that with heat. You can do that with tools like a brush. You can do that with products like beard balm or beard wax. Beard oil, I'd never even heard that. Apply it in the direction you want the hair to lay. No, it just seemed like it was fluff, like it was garbage to throw into a video. And I had to sit down and make this because it upset me. They're a big company. They have a big reach. That advice is going to get to someone who has a beard and wants to solve their beard problems and issues, and they think that is the answer, and it's just not. That's not the experience I want people to have. I hope they find good channels, and sincerely, I hope they find this channel. We have a beautiful community based on helping each other here, And it really is backed in experience, it's backed in science, and it's just backed in stuff that works. It's proven. I've been doing this for almost 8 years now. Actually, at the time of this video dropping, it'll be right around the 8-year anniversary of this channel. So to conclude here, I'm sick of these big groups for selfish reasons putting out bad advice. It's not cool. I don't appreciate it, and we gotta get away to get the good advice, to get through it, to beat the resources, to beat the algorithm. It just upsets me. Down below, you guys, any thoughts, any questions, any add-ons, it is up to you guys to keep this conversation going. If you know someone that this could help, consider sharing the video with them. Thank you guys. I know that we're gonna help out a lot of people. My name again, Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.